Dear students, our today topic is slope or gradient. Slope of the line or the gradient tells us about the steepness of line or how rapidly the line ascended or descended. Therefore, the value of the slope of AB is the ratio of change in y coordinates to change in x coordinate on moving from point B to point A. Suppose 2 points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2 on Cartesian plane. Slope of AB y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Change of y coordinates upon change of x coordinate. From A, we draw parallel to x-axis, and from B, we draw a line parallel to y-axis. These two lines intersect each other at point C. Since AC are parallel to x-axis, therefore their y coordinates are same. BC is parallel to y-axis, therefore their x coordinates are same. Y coordinates are same, therefore their distance between them is difference of x coordinate and same difference of y coordinate. Extend BA then it intersect x-axis at point P. Suppose angle BPX is theta, then angle BAC is also theta, because AC and x-axis are parallel lines and these are corresponding angle, and this angle is 90 degree. Now y2 minus y1 BC and x2 minus x1 is AC. BC upon AC. ABC is a right triangle and angle C right angle, therefore AB is hypotenuse and side opposite to angle theta is BC, so it is perpendicular and remaining side AC is base. Perpendicular upon base is tan theta. Thus, we can define slope in another way. Thus, the slope of a line is the tangent of the angle which the line max with positive direction of x axis. This is the positive direction and that is angle. When interval is horizontal, AB is horizontal, AB is parallel to x-axis. Since A and B equidistant from x-axis, therefore their y coordinate are same. In such situation, y2 minus y1 is 0 and therefore slope is 0. इसे दूसरे तरह से भी समझ सकते हैं. लाइन ए बी एक्स एक्सिस के साथ 0 डिग्री बनाता है क्योंकि कहीं पर ये आपस में कट नहीं कर पा रहा है, 0 डिग्री बना रहा है. एंड वी नो स्लोप इज 10 थीटा. एक्स एक्सिस से जो एंगल बनता है कितना डिग्री बन रहा है, 0 डिग्री. एंड 10 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 0. So slope is 0. Second guess. When interval is perpendicular to x-axis or when interval is vertical, PQ is vertical, PQ is perpendicular to x-axis, or we can say that PQ is parallel to y-axis. Since PQ is equidistant from y-axis, therefore their x coordinates are same, and in such situation x2 minus x1 is 0. But since division by 0 is not defined, hence we can say that slope is not defined. दूसरी तरह से इसे ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि पी क्यू एक्स एक्सिस के साथ पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में 90 डिग्री बना रहा है. सो स्लोप इज 90 डिग्री and 90 degree is infinite, not defined. Exercise 3, question number 1. In the given graph 19, find the slope or gradient of the interval. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. A first point, B second point. A 1 5 x1 y1. B second point x2 y2. y2 7 y1 5. 7 minus 5 upon 3 minus 1. 2 upon 2. Answer is 1. Slope of CD, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 6 minus 4 upon 5 minus 2. 2 upon 3. Slope of EF, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. One minus 3 upon 2 minus 1. Minus 2 upon 1 is equal to minus 2. Slope of GH, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 2 minus 2 upon 6 minus 3. 0 upon 3 is equal to 0. Slope of ij. 1 minus 5 upon 7 minus 7. 4 upon 0. Not defined. Thus, slope of a line can positive, negative, 0 and undefined. Question number 3. One line whose slope is 5 upon 6 passes through the point 7, 10. Find the x coordinate of that point whose y coordinate is 15. Solution number 3. Given slope of line is equal to 5 upon 6 and line passes through a point 7, 10. Let the coordinate of other point is x 15. Slope y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Given slope is 5 upon 6. x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1, 15 minus 10 upon x minus 7. 5 upon 6, 15 minus 10, 5 upon x minus 7. 5 into x minus 7 is equal to 6 into 5. 5x minus 35 is equal to 6 5s are 30. 5x 30 plus 35. 5x equal to 65. X equal to 65 upon 5. X equal to 13. Thus, x coordinate is 13. Thanks for watching my video.